What's up everyone, welcome to Key to Blogging, and in this video I will tell you about a website that will help you create infographics for your website for free, and you will be able to create infographics using AI. So the platform is peak2chart.com, and this website will help you create infographics using AI. So let's check how you can create a infographics for our blog post. 9 simple way to reduce bounce rate on the website. So let's go to the website peak2chart.com, and here you need to create a free account. So let me sign up with Google here, and I will sign up with my Google account. Click on confirm. Now it will create a free account on this website, and let's check how we can do that. So I will choose the personal use, click on continue. So it will take some time to prepare the dashboard, so let's wait. Alright, the dashboard is prepared. Now let's click on the infographic section here, and here you will get a lot of templates related to infographics, so you can choose any one of them and start editing your content and images, or you can use the AI to generate a infographics for you. So click on generate AI infographics here, and I can describe my topic so that AI will generate a better infographics for our topic. So let me choose how to reduce bounce rate on the website. Suggest me some tips around it. So let's click on generate infographics, and let's check how it is generating the infographics for us. So let's wait a little bit and let's check how this AI is working. Alright, as you can see that it has created a infographics. What is bounce rate? Bounce rate is the percentage of visitors who leaves your website after viewing only one page, and it has created some steps here. So we need to further adjust the text a little bit, and this one is looking quite good. And let's choose another template, and let's wait for the AI to regenerate our infographics here. So you can see that it has changed the infographic style from here, and let's choose any other templates from here. So let me choose this template, and as you can see that it has now converted and looks professional. So we can edit this infographics by clicking on this button here, and it will open the editor for us. Alright, this is how the editor looks like. As you can see that you can add different type of basic shapes, you can add icons to your infographics, you can add text to your infographics here, and you can add different design pre-built design components here. You can change the color, you can add charts, column, pie chart, bar chart, and you can add maps here. You can add your own file and you can change that as well. So as you can see that the image selection is little bit off here. So what I can do is I will simply search for bounce rate here, and let's search for some images here. So I will click on here, and let me choose this one. And what I can do is I will right click on it, and let's download these images. Alright, I have downloaded some bounce rate related images from Google, and let's go to the editor here, and let's replace some of our images. So I will click on browse file here, and let me choose our image here, and it will upload it to the editor, and you can upload up to 100 MB. So let me drag it over here, and I can replace the image like this. So you can do the same with other images as well, like make it easy to find where they are looking for. So you can add a website navigation image like this. So let me search for website navigation. So let me download this image to the computer, and I will upload the image, and I will drag the image like this, and I can double click on it, and I can adjust the image position here, and I will click on done. So in this way we can change the images here in the infographics, and you can select the text and you can change the text as well. Alright, we have created our infographics in this website. Now you can click on download here, and you can choose the quality. So let me choose high quality here, and in free account you will be able to download 2 infographics for free, but you can create multiple free accounts and download unlimited number of images. But you can also take the premium plan if you don't want to create multiple accounts just to download infographics, then you can take the paid subscription as well. So I will click on download PNG here, and let's wait for the infographics, and let's check the quality of the infographics. All right, the infographics is downloaded, so let me open it here. And as you can see that our infographics is ready by AI, and as you can see that the infographics is looking quite good. So you can see that it has already created the headings, write the text for us, and added some images as well. So you need to make some adjustment on the images part, and otherwise rest is okay. So let's create another infographics using this website. So I will click on home button here. So let's create infographics around keyword research. So I will click on here, and I will click on generate AI infographics. I will simply search for how to do keyword research for SEO, like this, and let's click on generate infographics, and the AI will generate infographics for us. So let's wait. All right, it has created the infographics, and you can see that the title is there and the definition of keyword research, and it has added the first one: identify your target audience, use keyword research tools, analyze competitor keyword, track keyword performance, optimize your website target keyword. But the only problem is that it is taking images the wrong way, so you have to replace the images in this infographics. Otherwise the text and the paragraph is quite good. And let's choose a different template here. As you can see that it has added the key points, and it has added like this. Otherwise, except for the images, rest is quite good and is generating quite good infographics here, so you can use it for your website. So I hope you have learned how to create infographics using AI, and if you have any doubt regarding this, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit the like button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.